I'm having a sprinkler leak in this valve here. Might not be able to see from there, but there's a tiny little crack. That's where the water's coming out of. Let's cut this and this. Replace that valve, okay? Let's fix it. I have my hacksaw, so now I'm going to try to do some cuts. One more cut and we'll have it off. So the blade didn't break, just wasn't secured properly. I'm gonna get it back in there and we'll get that pipe finished off. So I've successfully gotten it separated. Let's take it inside. Here's a closer look at that crack. Here's the new piece. I'm gonna screw that right on. Actually, I should put some tape on first. So I've successfully taken the old valve off, gotten the new valve on. All I have left to do, there. To reattach it, I wasn't going to mess with soldering. So I picked up shark bites so I can recouple the copper pipe back together. Let's give it a try. Let's go put it back on, see if it works. The moment of truth. So in conclusion, the water is back on. There's now no dripping. Got the new valve on. And this winter, I'm going to undo these and bring it back inside. So no more busted valves. If I can do this, anyone can do